Today we are going to review how to access library resources from JCJC's main website. If you will, begin at www.jcjc.edu. From this URL, you can have several options for accessing the library's website. For one, you can scroll to the bottom of the page, and under General Information on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a link to the library, listed as the third from the bottom. That will bring you directly to our website. Another option is under Current Students. When you click on the Current Students button, there will be a popular link in which Terrell Tisdale Library is listed. Yet a third option is to go to the URL button and simply after edu type /library. Any of these options should direct you to the page that is listed on your screen. This is the new home page for the JCJC Library. For a general search, you can simply start at the Start Here button to take you to a general search screen that will allow you to view what we have in our library collection in print as well as online resources through almost all of our databases. In the event that a database that we have access to is not included in that resource, there will be a link at the top of your screen, and we will discuss that as we move on through our presentation. If you are in a course that asks for special databases, we have created special profiles. For instance, if you're in a nursing course and you need special health resources, those will be listed under the nursing profile. Or if you are in a Comp 2 class and your instructor has asked that you use specific resources, you can simply click in the Comp 2 profile to access those resources. And that's what I will illustrate to you now. By clicking in the Comp 2 profile, you are prompted to enter in your Magnolia ID. For Jones County Junior College students, that is MAGN0117, all in lowercase letters and with no spaces. As you log into the databases, you should be directed to this screen. Now, whether you're in the general search category or if you're in the special Comp 2 or nursing profiles, the screen will look the same up through this point. Now, where it will vary is when you get to your results list. And let's do that now. I'm going to use pollution as a search. Of course, this is a very broad search category. This is going to bring back all types of information on various types of pollution. As you might notice, at the top of the screen, 424,604 results have been found. So that's probably not a great search for what you will be needing in your courses here at Jones County Junior College. I would encourage you to be more specific in your searches, but this will work for the presentations that we're doing today. Now you'll notice right away on the right-hand toolbar that we've included several things. You can see how those are broken down on the screen that shows which databases this information has come from. Now these are databases that your instructors have asked that we use. So you'll have access here to the EBSCO Discovery Service, which is the main source, CQ Researcher Online, Congressional Quarterly Information, SIRS Discover a Researcher, and also Issues and Controversies. You can update that list, so right now we're using just the EBSCO Discovery Service, but we can add in CQ Researcher Online, and we can conduct our search that way. Alright, as we do this, we'll get mixed results. You'll see right off databases listed, so for number 1, 2, and number 3, Academic Search Complete is the database that is being brought up. And number 4, we're getting CQ Researcher Online. So we're getting both of the databases that we have opted to use. For one that says PDF Full Text and Academic Search Complete, all you need to do is click on the button for PDF Full Text. It should load in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Of course, this one is not in English, but there are some options to change language as well under the Preferences button that will be located at the top of your screen. Now, this one's here. Notice the citation information on the right-hand toolbar. If you simply click the little yellow page, it will bring you to citation information. Now be sure at this box that you scroll down until you see MLA. And here is what you would copy and paste into your document. Be sure that you copy and paste that into a Word document to be used at a future date. This will give you the information you need to be able to completely cite your source. In some cases, some elements of this might not be as your instructor wishes it to be, but you will have the information that you'll need to be able to correct it to what reference sites they want you to use. So be aware of that. Also on this right-hand toolbar, you have an option for a permalink. This will provide a URL that will bring you back to this exact document at a later time. So if you wish to copy and paste that into an email, it's very easy to go back and click on the link and get to this exact email without recreating your search at a later time. You'll also notice that you can email it directly, and you can send that directly to your email account from within the EBSCO system. Or you can print these articles. Another option that some may be interested in is the folder system, and you'll notice the folder is at the top of your screen. The first time you use that, you will have to create an account. It's a free account. You will register just with your email address and a few other things, and then from that point forward, when you try to use your folder, you'll be asked to sign in. It's a very quick process, and if that's something that interests you, I encourage you to take some time to do that. If you wish to go back to your result list, you simply can choose your back button and it will take you back. I also want to show you number 4. Now in CQ Researcher Online, you'll notice it doesn't automatically say PDF full text, but it gives you an option to retrieve the item. When you click Retrieve Item, it will then move you into another site. This is bringing you to a separate database, but you'll notice that you don't have to log in separately. You don't have to have a special username or password. If that creates any problems, let us know and we will try to have that resolved for you. So there you have the full text of this article as well. You'll notice also that you can view it as a PDF, you can email your links, you can print, and you can even get your citation sources for these sources as well. So I encourage you to use all of these features to be able to get all of the information you need from the start. Other features that are available are the ability to change dates and to select whether you want full text articles or scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Those are some other options that you can do, and you can update your list to meet those criteria as well. So that will help you as you narrow your searches and get a more complete listing of the things that are available. Earlier I mentioned that there are some additional links at the top of our screen that you can use. One is a citation builder. In the event that you get a resource that does not have a citation already created for you, you can simply click on the link to the citation builder and answer some questions to get to that point where you have a citation created for you. We also have a literary index in the event that you're looking for an author or information regarding a particular source. You can click that link. Ask a Librarian will bring you to a 24/7 reference service where you can email a librarian and ask some general reference questions to be answered back via an email form. We also have links to a services called Magnolia and Mello, which are 2 statewide services that will lead you to additional information should you feel that you need that information. Also, Overdrive for ebooks. Popular fiction ebooks as well as nonfiction ebooks are available through Overdrive. Films on Demand for streaming video as well as NBC Learn. And a careers internet database if you choose to use that. The passwords for these will be listed with your instructor in Canvas and also on the MyJones page. So I encourage you to use those. As always, if you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact me at julie.atwood@jcjc.edu or call our main desk at 601-477-4055 and we will be happy to work with you and help you any way that we can. Thank you for your time, and I hope you will find these services to be very user-friendly.